I'm working on this Citroen C4, it's 1.6 diesel if I'm not wrong, and they've topped up the additive and it comes up with this message: particle filter additive level too low. So we're going to reset that and hopefully that should go away, as well as we'll reset that as well. If we do this, that's the fault, so we'll go into special functions. And then, so to reset it, so it's this option here on Autel. I'm sure on like Snap-on and all that it's the same as well. And hopefully done. So I doubt it'll turn off unless I clear it. So if I click back, well, it has cleared, but let's just clear its trouble codes, and then let's read again. Clear 90,000. No, that's 900,000. That's 90, and hopefully, if the card runs, it will not erase it. So happy it is. Turn it off, and then switch it on again. We'll just give it a few seconds, and then switch on. Okay. So if I come out of this, go into it, it has all cleared and on there as well. So let's just turn it on. As can be seen, it's all gone. Also the service that was on there earlier, that's also to do with that. So if any problem within the engine, that will come up as well.